Hey YouTube. Today we're going to have a review of the Ruger Impact Max Elite. It's a bit of a long-term review. I've had this about a year now. It's a 22 caliber air rifle. I can't say anything really bad about it other than the fact it shoots a little high and a little to the left. And that could just be my eyes getting older. I'm 33 now. So things happen. I like to shoot these Piranha 14.3 grain 22 caliber. They are lead, and it's a little hollow point. This air rifle I picked up out, and I think I was wherever the hell I was, but I'm gonna leave a link for you in the comments where you can get this right online, and they'll ship it right to your door. It's not a controlled item by any means. It shoots 1,250 feet per second, so this is not a toy. It is lethal. What I'd like to say I really like are these bright high-vis sights. They are rather nifty. I think it's a true glow, perhaps. Adjustable windage on the side, height elevation. The front sight post is fixed to a baffled silencer. This is not loud at all. I'll be shooting that can here in a second. But yeah, I've had it for a year. It's great. You use it to dispatch anything that you might need to dispatch or shoot targets. It's a great air rifle. And again, you can order these right to your door. This is not a firearm. It is not considered a firearm in any state. It's also not quite a child's toy. I'm going to try and set my phone up here, and I'll shoot the little can off and show you how it works. So it's a break barrel, which means you have to grab it, muckle on, and break the barrel. Put your little BB right here, your pellet. Just get a ball bearing, and flip it up. You'll notice this has two triggers. That front trigger can either be your safety or a set trigger, depending on how you set it up. If you take this out of the action, you can adjust it to your own liking. This is just the way it is from the factory. I don't play with it. That's the way it's meant to be. All right, I'm gonna try and pop the pop can. Let me see if I can get this set up. I don't have a tripod, so it might be a little difficult, but bear with me. Oh, you know what? I'll set you right there. All right, I'm gonna try and not shoot my phone now. I'm gonna go about 30 feet. All right. Set this down on the tractor. All right. So it is 22 caliber, and it did go in pretty aggressively, and it comes out pretty aggressively. And again, this is well, also, sorry I threw that down there. I shouldn't have done that. This is 22 caliber. It's not a toy by any means. It's the Ruger Impact Max Elite. Not a toy. Misuse or careless use may cause serious injury or death before using. Read owner's manual, available from Umarex, USA, Fort Smith, made in China. Now, for being made in China, this is real steel. This is real steel. I don't have any here with me, but I have rifles, 30-06, 223, even 22s that are lighter than this. This is a heavy air rifle, but it needs to be heavy because it's quality. I never would have expected that was made in China. It's real blued steel. It will scratch. It will rust. You can see here, there's some rust starting right here on this receiver barrel part. This sat in a truck for almost a year. It's been oiled once, so it's my own doing. And yeah, check the comments for the link. I'll send a link to this thing, the Ruger Impact Max Elite, as well as these Piranha 22 caliber pellets. See ya.